Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. You are safe in your homes, taking care of yourself. My name is Vipul Jain. I'm the founder and CEO of Advanced Cells, and welcome to our another episode of our show called Ask Advanced Cells. This is a show where we talk about different things happening around us, and you all are invited to be a part of it. Ask questions, get clarifications, whatever you want to know. Please let us know, and we will try our best to answer. Um, I guess for the past three, four episodes, all we have been doing is talking about COVID, talking about Corona, and it seems like even this time is nothing different because we still are fighting the lockdown, we still are fighting the virus, we still are fighting the disease, and it seems the numbers in India especially are on the rise, but the solace is that the numbers around the world are sort of showing tend to go down. Europe is slowly and gradually emerging out of it. Asia is slowly and gradually emerging out of it. Um, US is still, pretty bad, but it seems that it will reach its peak pretty soon. Even in India, we have at least started talking about the peak. But what is more important is understanding how global economy, global business is being affected by the coronavirus. We all understand and we all have read many reports about it and seen it with our own eyes that this virus has really been a pandemic not just on health but on economics. Lockdowns all over the world have put businesses to halt. Economy has come to a grinding halt. There are no productions happening, no manufacturing happening, no sales happening, no purchases happening anywhere. Businesses, small or big, old or new, startups or behemoths, everybody is feeling the pinch. Uh, there are reports that are being published from all over the world where GDP numbers are shown to have gone down by 60 to 70% as compared to not just the last year but just the last quarter, which means that the world is looking at a recession. The world is looking at a Great Depression. The world is looking at a very, very grim economic situation over the next 3 months, 6 months, who knows, even a year. But that does not mean that there is no hope. Hope is always there. I mean, we do know that this is temporary. This is not a permanent feature. This will go away. It might leave things that are what we call new normal. We can't predict right now what the new normal will be, but there certainly will be normalcy back into the system, and economics and businesses will again start to run again. Um, there has been impact for no doubt about it, but I am very hopeful that very soon things will be back in action. Uh, you know, uh, Coronavirus is going to impact different industries in different ways. I mean, if we just look at the auto industry, I mean, auto industry is one of the worst hit industries. Who has got the time or the money or the inclination right now to buy a car? But remember, once things open up, once we go back to normal, getting a personal vehicle might become a thing of priority for a lot of us. A lot of us who have been saying that we should now ride public vehicles might go back and say we need a private vehicle for times like these, which means that the auto sector might just get a boost, which means the steel sector might just get a boost, which means the ancillary sector might just get a boost, and every industry all over, as we all know, is linked. So one industry runs away, it pulls the entire economy with it. And the same will go with construction, same will go with all the different industries. I'm very, very hopeful that once this lockdown and corona situation improves, we are looking for a major economic upheaval. We are looking for a major economic recovery, and all of us will have more work to do than we have ever done, and we'll make up for these lost 4 5 months most definitely. So here's to hope. And here's to a feeling that we will survive. Here's to a feeling that there is light at the end of the tunnel. And I invite you to post your comments, to ask questions, and if you have anything to say, please look up our social media channels and feel free to tweet, like, repost, whatever you want to do, and we'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. So till next time, thank you very much. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the other side. Bye.